Hello everybody. This is the parent-teacher conference video for Algebra 2 Trig. My name is Matt Johnson. I'm going to make this a quick video, mostly because I had to turn the fans off so you could hear me, and it's a sauna in here. So, this is my 22nd year teaching, all math all the time. I love this subject. The goals of this class. It's an Algebra 2, so we're going to cover all the Algebra 2 material. We're going to spend a good month, maybe 2 months, talking about trigonometry, but the real goal of the class is to be prepared to take AP Calculus after this year. They don't have to take AP Calc, but they're going to be ready to take AP Calc. So that's the big drive of this year. I expect the students to be working hard. I expect them to be checking their answers, which they can find on the Google Classroom, and asking questions. That's the biggest thing. They just need to be working on staying on top of their work. If things aren't making sense, ask questions quick. That's what you can do at home, is encourage them to ask those questions when they are struggling. When I see them struggling, I'm going to work with them first. If nothing really changes, that's when I'm going to contact you. So that's really it. The best way to get in contact with me is with this email. If you have any other questions or concerns, whatever, just send me an email and let's get talking about what we can do, okay? I hope this is going to be a good year. It's got to be better than last. So take care, everybody. I wish we could have seen each other in person last Wednesday, but it's hot in here. Take care.